Designo Pro 2 is a tool software help you design graphics in the most professional way. This breakthrough cloud app that allows you to edit graphics and images in stunning quality using modern vector-based designs. Designo Pro 2 will help you come up with high-quality graphics if you want to achieve reliable online or offline success. When you don't have amazing graphics, your website will sport a bland look, and even your videos won't be enticing enough to keep your audiences hooked. What will then happen? Nobody will be willing to purchase from your website, and you will hit loss. That's where Designo Pro 2 comes to your rescue to provide you with full-of-life graphics. Mind you, the graphics that you will create using the Designo Pro V2.0 can be enlarged to billboard size and the loss of quality. Features of Designo Pro 2. Let's take a look at the features of Designo Pro cloud-based software. They host all of the vector templates and designs. All you have to do is log in and start creating unique designs with the push of a button. No hassle involved. Revolutionary design architecture. They're using vectors instead of traditional pixels, which means your graphics will always look crisp and never blurry, no matter the size or purpose. 500 plus built-in vector templates. Just fill in the blanks and get the highest quality possible from your graphics. And the best part? By using this breakthrough app, you're finally saying no to monthly fees, no to expensive software, and no to hard-to-use apps. React-made designs for any need. From professional logos to high-converting banners, infographics, flyers, book covers, cartoon characters and social media covers, we've got over 20 different categories full of innovative designs waiting for you. Stunning drag-and-drop editor. It's so easy to use, you'll be shocked no one thought of a solution this simple before. Just click, click, click and you're done. Fully compatible with video creators. Because they're using SVG vectors, all the designs can be exported and used inside video creators like Explaindio and Easy Sketch Pro. Full compatibility built in from day one. One-click export. You can instantly download your designs and use them on your sites, in your videos, or just print them. The vector templates are just so versatile, you can use them however you need. Even on shirts, Pro features built in. You can upload your own SVG vectors and start not editing right away, make use of the fully fledged layer system, or tweak your text with over 50 plus premium fonts. Designed by marketers for marketers, they've built Designo Pro from the ground up with simplicity in mind. It's a breeze to use and comes with full 24/7 support and design training if you need it. Not only does it give you the ability to edit any image or graphic, including logos, banners, and box covers, with its 200 brand new pre-made templates, but you can also upload your own graphics. That gives you 400 templates to start with. So now what's new in version 2 of Designo Pro? Let's find out. Over 200 fresh new plug-and-play templates for your designs. 3D graphics and realistic mockups. Now you can use realistic clothing designs. Upload and edit your own graphics. Ability to export to PNG, SVG and now also JPG and PDF. Pro features like grid views, layer locking, font importing, and an extended color palette. Seamlessly save everything in the cloud and turn back to it later. And much more. Why should you get it? The first reason is that it's so easy to use. You can get any design done in 3 simple steps, even if you have zero design experience. I will show you in the next part of this Designo Pro 2 review. I mean, it's incredibly easy to learn how to use Designo Pro 2 and enjoy amazing images and graphics without ever having to pay for them again. Let's take a look at the pros. It works in vector graphics, so your masterpieces can be expanded to any size and be print ready. They developed this